So today what we have is the PA students from the University of South Carolina, and they're interacting with our students. What we are attempting to do is to create an opportunity for our students to learn more about the PA program, but also develop an ongoing partnership. We're hoping that through this particular experience that our students are going to gain a different insight in terms of another career option.
95, that's good, that's really good.
We work as a team, so you really need every profession on the healthcare floor, but the pro of being a physician assistant, you get to bounce around to different specialties. You get taught a general medicine education, so you get to know everything that we're doing here. So you're very flexible in which practice you go into, and if you change your mind, you can go to a different one. With this being PA Week, the whole point of Project Access is to make the PA profession more known to local communities. So for a lot of people that don't know even what a PA is, our sole purpose is to gain interest in students within our community, because who better to serve the community as a provider than the kids that grow up here?
I think being able to introduce our students to great programs right here in our community and giving them an advantage. And also inspiring them to be hopeful for the future. At Heyward, that's what we want to do, create opportunities for our students to dream big, but go as far as they can possibly go.
That's pretty good. Yeah. That's pretty good. That's awesome. Good job.